Alright, here we go.
You tried. Adam, behind you.
Yeah.
You got another one behind you. Adam,
Hey, it's over here.
right here.
You got like a quick twitch. You feel it?
Oh, I had my arm like around me and he slithered out.
You had $40, man.
Oh, you almost had $40. Fuck. That's solid.
Man. Wrapped around, slithered right out, dude. That was close.
Oh, shit. This is going